provide, in writing, a cargo information form or shipper's declaration in line with the IMSBC code. The shipper should also provide the material safety data sheet. The shipper's declaration must give the density and/or stowage factor of the iron ore. It must also declare whether the cargo is harmful to the marine environment, HME, under MARPOL Annex 5. If relevant, it must state whether the iron ore is classed as MHP, has a history of self-heating or hydrogen gas emission. In Group A cargoes, the cargo moisture content and transportable moisture limit must be stated. Before loading, the master and the terminal representative must agree a loading plan that avoids hull becoming overstressed by either hull bending moment or shear forces any time during the loading. The contents of the loading plan are detailed in the loading and unloading of bulk carriers BLU code checklist. The effect of cargo and water ballast distribution at various steps in the loading can be calculated using the ship's loading computer together with the ship's loading manual. At each step, the hull girder bending moment and shear forces must be checked to ensure that they are within the allowed limits given in the loading manual. Real-time monitoring of hull bending moments and shear forces in port and at sea can be done using a hull stress monitoring system, HSMS, if available. Localized heaping up of heavy iron ore cargo in hold can cause overstressing of the structure. This can be avoided by trimming the cargo during loading. Trimming the cargo in each hold will also reduce the possibility of cargo sliding or heaping up during voyage. The angle of repose of most iron ore cargoes, other than fines, is usually above 35 degrees. However, they should be spread level to spread their weight evenly across the entire tank top. Cargoes of iron fines, concentrates or mill scale will tend to flow more, but must still be trimmed after loading. Trimming is best done using a loader to load the cargo in evenly distributed lines of cargo, which can then be manually trimmed using a bulldozer or front-end loader. If the ship loader does not have the outreach to evenly load the hold, then bulldozers will be required to spread the cargo during the loading. At the end of the loading, the variation in height of an iron ore cargo should be within a distance of the ship's beam divided by 10 meters, or 2 meters, whichever is smaller.